the first thing I want to do is take the seats out of the car. I mean, the best I've ever gotten stains up. Welcome back to another episode of Bro Premiere. Unfortunately, it's a bit windy outside, so I wanted to record in here first. Just being today is the only day I can work on the car. Tomorrow it's raining and the next day as well. But if you're new to the channel, we've been working on a 2008 Mazda-3, and so far what we've done is we've spray painted and buffed the entire tops of the car. We've replaced a water outlet gasket that was causing the whole cooling issue. And the last thing we have to do today is to actually vacuum and wipe down the whole interior. So that's the game plan. The first thing I want to do is take the seats out of the car, then I want to vacuum everything up, and then I'll probably do like the soapy spray solution over the seats, scrub them down a bit, and then vacuum those up as well to get all the stains out. Let's get at it. All right, so it is 2 days later. We had a pretty bad rainstorm yesterday, so I ended up trying to get everything done the night before. But if you check it out, guys, the interior came out amazing. I mean, the best I've ever gotten stains out. So I'm really happy. I figured out like my new system, which is basically scrub it with the solution, spray a little bit extra on, vacuum it up, and then do that again. Just do that whole setup twice. Spray it down, scrub it, spray a little more, suck it up, do it again. And then it came out like this. And I am just so dang pleased how nice it came out. I can't even believe how great the driver's seat came out. That thing was disgusting. So anyway, it did really well. The last thing I had to do is I had to add some floor mats in there that I bought. And I just had to touch up like a couple little things around the car. Like that little spot I want to paint black, that spot as well. And then I just want to do a couple little things that are left. Like I want to buff this spot out. I want to buff out that spot. I'm probably going to give the whole side of the car a little bit of buff. It's got some swirly, weird marks, and I want to try to lighten those scratches the best I can. And then one last thing I want to try to do is I want to try to heat up this plastic and get this to turn back to black. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm a little nervous. Maybe I can pull this off and just, yeah, all right. I'm going to try to heat it up. All right, let's get at it. All right, so it is all wrapped up. The car came out really good, guys, really good. So I thought I was taping. I don't know if I did. If I did, you've seen it. If not, here it is. But I ended up painting up some of those spots that were sticking out, that were definitely white. And the other one down here, which I don't know if it made it better or worse, but at least it's covered. But overall, guys, it came out really nice. In fact, you know what? Right now I'm gonna do one of those before and after videos. All right, guys, so I think that's gonna wrap up another episode of Broke Premiere. I'm gonna go take pictures of this thing and get it listed for sale. And hopefully I will have another flip by next week. Hopefully. All right, guys, hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Until next time, see you later, guys.